What is going on, everyone? I just wanted to do a quick, short update video. I know that my last couple videos I've been doing different front suspension and steering upgrades, and you'll notice now that the car is not on jack stands anymore. It is sitting on the ground. So I still haven't got my sway bar back from powder coating. So I wanted to get the car out and kind of drive it around and see how the steering upgrades and everything felt. Um, and I just went ahead and did it without the sway bar being on there. So felt pretty good. The steering is a lot more responsive. There's no play in the steering wheel, and that helps out a lot. You turn it just a little bit, and the wheels turn a little bit. So that's like the number one thing that I was looking for and trying to achieve. So I'm glad that that worked out. Um, Still got to get the sway bar back and then get the new end links on with the prothane polyurethane bushings, and then the front will be pretty well good to go. I mean, I still have to get suspension stuff. Eventually, K-member, control arms, but I think for now the front end stuff is going to be done, and I'm going to focus on chassis stuff, which is part of this video here. So my Maximum Motorsports full-length subframe connectors finally came in, so I'm pretty excited about that. It was about a 5 or 6 week wait, sorry, to get these. So I was really hoping that I would get them before the 11th, because the 11th is the first autocross event of the season, and I'd got them. And also, I found a guy that's about 10 minutes away from me that is going to install them tomorrow. So I'm getting these things welded up and installed tomorrow. And I might do an update video tomorrow, but I might also wait until I get the sway bar, get that mounted, and then take the car out and kind of give you guys a first impression video of me driving the car around. So I got some new camera mounts for my GoPro and for my phone, which is what I film on. So I'll hook those up, take the car out. I moved a while back. If you guys watch my other videos, and the area I moved to has got some good twisties, completely redone roads with a lot of twisties and turns, and so it'll be a cool video to get posted, and I'll give you guys my first impression or my initial impression of how everything feels. And I'm thinking that of everything, that steering shaft, just from driving the car a little bit today, I took it out for about 20 minutes. That steering shaft from Maximum Motorsports really helped out a lot. But I think getting the sway bar back on with those polyurethane bushings, and then for sure this full-length subframe connectors, I think that's going to make a huge difference. I hear guys all the time talk about how much of a difference that makes getting those in there, and how like the car feels like it's on rails. That combined with me having installed the 4-point Maximum Motorsports front strut tower bar, and then already having the 3-point Kenny Brown, I think that's really going to help this car out a lot. And I think the next step, because I'm focusing right now, trying to focus on chassis stuff. I just kind of got a little carried away up front there with the steering and all the bushings. But next up on the list for the chassis is going to be the torque box reinforcements in the rear. I think I'm going to go with the BMR ones. And the guy who is going to weld this in, I'm probably going to have him install those as well. That probably won't be for a few more weeks, though. I'm going to try to just get the car ready to go for next Sunday for autocross and not dive into anything else while it's working, because I don't want to get into something that I'm not going to be able to finish up. But one other small update, I don't know if any of you noticed, but my gas cap. So I've been looking on eBay for a white 94 to 98 Mustang gas fuel door. And I finally found one that was decent shape and wasn't super expensive. I got it for I think it was $5, and then like $6 to ship it. It came super dirty, but I cleaned it up, and it doesn't look too bad. It's got a couple scuffs here and there, but as you remember last year, whenever I took out the timing equipment at an autocross event. I got some scuffs back here, so it kind of matches, but I'm glad to have that on there and get rid of that ricer, whatever you call that thing. Not only because it looks stupid and out of place, but the magnet that holds the door on isn't magnetized anymore, and the thing just flaps open whenever I'm racing. So it's nice to have this on there. It gives it a cleaner look, not as I don't know, not as douchey, I guess. So yeah, those are just a couple of small updates I wanted to give you guys. Super excited for those full-length subframe connectors. I've really been wanting to do that for a while, and finally just went ahead and got them, and I'm excited to get those installed tomorrow. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching and supporting and subscribing. If you want to see where I'm going to take this thing, because it's going to be, you know, it's going to be pretty cool once I finish everything up. I mean, I kind of got a little slow with it last year, but here lately I've been picking up, doing a whole bunch of stuff to it, getting it ready for, or getting it better prepped to do autocross. So if you guys like what's going on, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.